We did a lot today.
We sure did.
Sinestro!
Spreading things to others is not healthy.
But
If you made Susan here yawn, it means you're contagious.
Bobby Johnson, you gave me yawn.
What should we do?
Well, for $5, I can cure you with my yellow power ring.
Okay.
Thanks, Sinestro!
Suckers.